Welcome back to the day after Christmas, everybody. Today I'll be harvesting this 1931 Ford AA truck. It's a dually with one in the back right now. I'm not sure if it's seized up or if it's in gear. I just tugged it forward a little bit, but I'm going to organize the back a little bit. And then in the big old pile of parts that I found this nice coupe rear end. Not sure of the year. If anybody can help me out with that, I'd be grateful. And I've got these fenders stacked up in it, so I'm going to use this to double purpose that back to my shop. And then, I'm not sure. It's kind of earlier than normal today, so I may try to run this to the shop, get it unloaded, and come get some more stuff. Or I might just stick around here and get things ready to ship and organize things. It just makes shipping them easier the next day. But I'll show you what I might work on here. Alright, I've got this that I was dinking around with the other day, trying to get this back area, the parts section, all cleared out, but this was giving me trouble. So I've got to get the front tire on it. It's got 3 tires that are holding there. I've got this spare. I think this is the same tire to it. But I was having a hard time getting this thing up because my stupid skid steer does not let me open the door if I'm more than like an inch up with my forks. So I cannot raise it, put a block under it, and then get back in my skid steer and let it down. So I brought a jack today. Hopefully I can get the tire on it if I decide to stick around here and work on stuff. I'm not sure of the year. I didn't look it up before I started making the video, but I think it's a 46, I want to say. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, please. It's got a flat head in it, except it's missing one of the heads, I believe, is what he told me. Other than that, getting this cleared out pretty well. Got a Nash and a Studebaker, I think. Got the Nashes back here. There's the Nash. Nice and windy. Gonna blow that tin right at me today. And the Studebaker's here. Got a bunch of parts back there with a Commodore buried back there. Not a Commodore. Keep wanting to call that thing a Commodore. Crosley. There's a Crosley buried back there. Still, I got to get through all the engines and parts still, but that should go quicker than the parts. Still have a 29 Chevy right here, coupe. Looking forward to that one. I'll do a little bit more extensive video on that. And there's a deer looking at me right there. Why aren't you running off? You think I don't see you? Yeah, I see you. Anyway, he can watch. And I've got this Nash right there too. So, still, geez. Oh, I got a trailer over there too. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the truck that I still need to move, and the trailer's 7. That's a lot of parts, so I don't know. Seems like I'm doing a lot, but then it doesn't at the same time. I don't know. I'm trying to hit this stuff hard this last couple of weeks, or last week, I guess, of not even a week. Geez, I'm running out of time here. I really got to get this stuff moved. But anyway, I will load some stuff and fill you back in upon further inspection. Okay, we've got our dash and we've got our gas tank and all that good stuff. It's got the transmission and the engine in it. However, I was looking at this. I don't think that hood is the right hood for this. It's probably a car hood that they put over it in order to protect the engine from getting too, torn up, I guess, infested, to keep water out of it, etc. But looks like it's all there, so that's cool. Hopefully it turns. Haven't bothered to try that yet. Probably won't bother until I get it to my shop and decide to tinker with it. And unfortunately, I believe the transmission is completely seized up, so that's going to be a trick. I'll probably push it from the back. I was pulling it from the front, so I will prefer to do that. I stay straighter when I'm trying to get these out of here, but the wheel's going to dick around with me, so it's going to make loading it a lot slower, in other words. But we'll get it. Alright, well, we got her loaded onto the trailer along with a couple of Model T axles. And I was able to pick this up surprisingly. It's got a V8. I think it's a 350, but I'm not 100% sure. I think it's an old Chevy, but there's not a whole lot left of it. Tops of the quarters, the roof. There's the back bumper, but it's kind of beat up. I think the front, nope, no front bumper. Yeah, this one will definitely get parted out for whatever I can sell it out. It was basically a throwaway that came with everything else. But I got the in the back with the fenders sticking up there, and yeah, and the back of the truck I've got Model T cowl, steering column, dash, and I've got a couple of fenders to a Citroen, which I don't have the whole car. It's just got body parts to a Citroen for some reason. I was able to get the front tire on this, but unfortunately it is flat. It would not hold air. It looked better than that before I towed it, but it was easier than expected. I thought it was going to screw me up with my steering. I cannot get into this. I don't have a key, and the doors are locked, and it's in gear, so I gotta drag it. I lifted it up in the back, loaded it onto the trailer. Probably tomorrow won't be an issue. Got a bunch of crap in the back of it, and yeah. So, didn't get 2 loads today, but I'm focusing on getting some things done while I still got some daylight. And if you see anything here, especially on this vehicle, if you know what it is, and you can tell me what it is, please let me know. If there's anything you need,